Hello YouTube, Joe from Joe's Shop. I thought we'd have a little look at a 12 volt charger that's been turned over to work as 110 volt. I'm not using this anymore. I used to charge RC cars and stuff with it at the field, but now I don't have a use for it. So what do? I'm like, something to charge the four-wheeler and the mower and everything else under the sun, batteries. So I took a power supply and put a 3 amp 12 volt power supply inside. And I hooked it up with a whole lot of air so it can get air from down inside of here, and the other side's opened up down inside. These sides are open. I mean, the bottom is completely open so that it can get air and cool the power supply. And then I thought, it's pretty hard to get the buttons on the side. That's not going to work. So I had to make some buttons that could talk to the buttons that were on the side. But it worked out really, really good. It's compact. And everything stores inside. This is the one for the four-wheeler. And then if you need a 6-foot cord to maybe charge up the car or the mower or something that you can't get to, there's one for there. I thought this is really handy. And then in back, you have access to store the cord. And how about this? When you're all done, so the cord isn't flopping around, there's a bullet catch in here. So as you slide this underneath, listen, it catches itself, and now it's not going to go anywhere. So nothing can fall out. The unit itself is held in also. It has nowhere to go. I put feet on all the edges and corners because you know how you're going to use a charger. It's going to be one way today and another way tomorrow, and so it's able to sit this way, as well as any other, because you don't know how you're going to view it. Is it going to be like this, as you can view it from the front, or who knows what? You guys let me know what you think. It's a real neat way to use a charger.